This is how the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra looks in its hands and on display for the first time. However, there is a serious problem with the device. Ice Universe reports that there are issues with the Galaxy S24 Ultra telephoto sensor. The 10x photographs are all noise, even though the software version is nearly ready for prime time. This is a significant problem for men who enjoy shooting close-up photos. He went on to say that while 5x is nice, 10x is terrible. Solving this problem is challenging, as it's unclear if the issue lies with the hardware or software. The 10x zoomed-in photos are a struggle for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but what about photographs that are more than 10x? It has been proven that the S23 Ultra is superior to the S24 Ultra, as previously reported by another source that coded, and he also stated telephoto sensors. This implies that even if Samsung resolves the issue with the 10x zoom, the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 10x to 100x zoom feature will still be superior. This is the Galaxy S24 Ultra's updated, closer view. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a much smaller bezel than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. There's a reason why the S24 Ultra the front design is so exquisite. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a flat display, but now we're going to see symmetrical bezels for the first time on a Galaxy phone. The bezel size is incredibly small, 1.5 mm, according to Ice Universe, and the bottom bezel on the S24 Ultra is 40% smaller than the bottom bezel on the S23 Ultra. Although a flat display is an acceptable option, the Galaxy S24 Ultra differs from the Galaxy S23 Ultra in 3 key ways. First, it appears thicker than its previous generation. Second, its outer bezel is thicker than that of the S23 Ultra. And third, it is wider still. Additionally, the sides of the Galaxy S24 Ultra have been verified through this first-hand view. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a titanium appearance, as seen by the curved edges and gently curved corners that give it a more luxurious feel in the hand. With the exception of titanium gold, Ice Universe is available in 7 additional colors for the S24 Ultra: yellow, violet, gray, black, green, blue, and orange. On January 17th, the Galaxy S24 will be launched. Pre-hours will begin following the event and run from January 26th to January 30th. On January 30th, the gadget will be released onto the market. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.